Brand new colors coming to your Tesla very soon, plus the EV tax credit, the very latest in what Elon said on the most recent earnings call in this video. So we're taking advantage of a rare Pittsburgh sunny day here, and just recently two new colors came out for Tesla. Now we're just gonna get right into it. It is a cherry red color and a Quicksilver gray. Now what do you think of these new colors? Two big updates. These two new colors are only going to be limited in the Germany Tesla Center and in the Middle East. But there is good news if you are in the States here where I am in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. We asked Elon, will there be other colors or options available for the United States market? And Elon did confirm yes, but he did not say which colors. And I think it would be a really cool idea if we could vote. So the reason for it being limited in Germany and other markets is because those facilities in Giga Berlin were designed, the paint shops, to add multiple thin, precise layers of paint to the Teslas. And it doesn't seem like that technology is yet here in the United States. So two new colors and some exclusive colors coming to the United States. Let's get into what he said at the latest Q3 earnings call about the EV tax credit. So as far as the EV tax credit, Elon said on the earnings call that Tesla will fully qualify for the EV tax credit. And if you're wondering what is the latest update, this is huge news because the main component of this EV tax credit that has been talked about so much are the battery components. And it seems that Tesla is looking for suppliers in the United States, which means you could get $7,500 off of the price of your Tesla. So Tesla going all in on this, so a lot of different questions arise from this. If every single car is going to qualify based on, let's say, the batteries for the $7,500, what are the new prices of the Model 3 and Model Y? So will the Model 3 or the Model Y qualify? Well, if you're looking at a standard range Tesla, that's what I have right here, the Model 3. Currently, that does not qualify, at least based on the batteries, because CATL, the producer for the LFP batteries, is located in China. So Elon's saying that Tesla will fully qualify. So that means the LFP battery in the base model standard range may change and now qualify for the full $7,500. So stay tuned and subscribe to make sure you get the latest on that. So what about the long range Model 3? Currently, that is not available to purchase on the Tesla website, and it actually doesn't qualify based on the sedan cap of $55,000. So if you do want a Model 3 long range, it will not qualify based on the previous price that was over $55,000. So if Tesla, like Elon said, is going all in on the $7,500 EV tax credit, could we see that come back online at a lower price of $55,000 or less? So my thoughts are that it will be less than $55,000, qualifying the long range Model 3 for the EV tax credit. Again, this is going off of the latest earnings call where Tesla said, and Elon, that all Teslas would qualify fully. But what about the performance Model 3? Well, right away, this one's a little more unrealistic because the price is so much higher than that $55,000. And if the long range were to lower in price, then it really wouldn't be that much of a price difference. I believe the performance Model 3 will not qualify based on the price. I don't see that falling lower than the $55,000 cap. So based on what Elon said, all Model Ys would qualify. And again, that's the small SUV price cap, which is $80,000. And if you're expecting a $7,500 discount on the Model Y, again, only in deliveries for 2023, signs are good that that will be approved and you could get $7,500. So one of the biggest updates to the EV tax credit comes from the Department of Treasury, and that is by the end of the year, 2022, this year, we will get an update on how much and which cars do qualify. It does seem that Tesla is confident, and Elon just said that Tesla will fully qualify. But if you were unaware, those battery requirements in more detail will come out at the end of this year. So they will come out to the IRS with a full list of which cars, including Teslas, qualify for that EV tax credit. So make sure to subscribe to get the exact confirmation that your Tesla qualifies. So if you are thinking about, well, when should I order my Tesla? When is the exact best time with these new colors and the EV tax credit coming out? When should I place my order? Well, if you want one guaranteed for next year, I would order right now. Again, if you are looking at the long range Tesla, you're going to have to wait because it is currently not available on the Tesla website, and I think that price might come down again for the Model 3 long range. But if you're looking at that standard range, you might want to hold off until next year until we get that new battery information. If you're thinking about a standard range Model 3, the rear wheel drive, which is what I have, I would wait until next year at least to take delivery. Now, you can place your order right now, but that doesn't guarantee you're going to get that new qualifying battery. I would hold off until we know for sure which Teslas in the Model 3 qualify based on those batteries. If you're looking at a Model Y, I would go ahead and order right now. I don't see a lot of changes happening there with technology or with the price itself. Now, there already has been some changes with the interior of the Model Y, with the back seats no longer coming with that white trim on the door. Kind of disappointed about that because I was looking at a Model Y myself. So now it's more of a just black finish like my rear wheel drive. But all in all, if you are looking at a Model 3, I would wait. If you're looking at a Model Y, I would go ahead and order. So the only way I know that you like this content is to drop a like and make sure to subscribe to get those updates on which Teslas qualify. Again, this is Matt from Funk to Trunk. We will see you in the next video.